made an outfit from scratch. It's an Onam special outfit. My outfit is already delivered. Something very new, something really different I'm trying this year. 3, 2, 1. Hello Makale, Zepri King here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Bong Punne in South, guys. It's another Sunday and I'm back with another video. Yes. So as you all know that festival seasons are just around. So I have an outfit from scratch. Yes, it's the first time I am making an outfit from scratch and I thought I'm just going to share with you guys. It's an Onam special outfit which I've made from scratch. So I'm going to share with you guys all the journey that I've done on this process and also the outlook. I'm super excited. I hope this video will give you a little bit of idea about the outfit that you also want to make. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video, which is Onam special outfit from scratch. Let's get started. Every year during Onam, I wear the typical boring Kerala sari, but this year I decided to make my outfit a little interesting. So I decided to wear a blouse, a dupatta and a skirt. So I got material for my blouse and dupatta, and then it was the hardest part of outfit from scratch is getting the right lace for my outfit. Oh my god, we literally had to see 4-5 shops. We took 2 entire day to finalize only the lace that would go with our outfit. So some shop we were really liking the lace, but the roll was not really enough for our outfit, so we had to change our mind. After searching for 2 days, we finally got the perfect lace that would go with my outfit, because I wanted the same lace for my blouse as well as for my dupatta. So I thankfully got it, and the meter that he was having was perfect for my outfit. So yes, we bought all this and then we went to my tailor, and this was the first time I was giving her to stitch the blouse because I wanted it a little designer. I was very worried how would it turned out to be, but yes, let's see. It is finger crossed. Everything we should try and see how does it work. And then we got some matching jewelry that would complement the outfit. So we got some bangles, some earrings. So guys, today is the 4th of September and my outfit is already delivered. So let me just give you a brief about it before I reveal my outfit. So yes, tomorrow is Onam and I'm really nervous. How will it look? So every year I usually wear the Onam traditional sari with different color of blouses, but this year I have decided I'm going to go a little more about it. So I'm going to make a skirt, a blouse and a dupatta. But the skirt is not stitched. It is going to be a DIY from my Kerala sari. Yes, I have a whole sari which I'm going to turn into a skirt. Yes, so this is the plan actually. So my blouse and my dupatta is stitched and it's came. So I'm just going to share with you guys. I'm super nervous because something very new, something really different I'm trying this year. So let me just share with you quickly my blouse and the dupatta, and then I'm going to reveal my complete Onam look. So I get excited. So first I'm going to share with you my blouse. So guys, this is the blouse that I have stitched. It's a halter neck blouse and it's really pretty. They have a zip that I have told them to put, so they've put a zip on the back. And this lace, we had taken out like our head and we have actually finalized this lace. So we have put the lace on the bottom of the blouse and on the neck of the blouse. That's all. And as you can all see, the blouse has a very different cut from down. Sari is already here, my Kerala sari, which I'm going to turn into a skirt, which I'm going to share with you guys in some time. And the final is this dupatta, guys. This is from a sari, a material that I have actually cut it and then I have put this lace into it, and it's going to look so beautiful. It's not very goldeny, but it's a golden rose gold type of dupatta that I have made. And for this dupatta we have, I think, rolled around 10 to 12 shops, and then we have finalized this because my sari has this golden material. So yes, I'm super excited. Let's go get reveal how does my outfit look all together on me. So 3, 2, 1. this outfit from scratch. How do you like this outfit? Do let me know in the comment section below. I absolutely loved it, you know, because I love the way it has come across my body. I don't look really fat, I look really cute. I really love, you know, there are a lot of photos that I've taken and it was very comfortable. Though I have turned my sari into a skirt, it was really beautiful, and I thank to Punita Akka because she is the one who has done it. So I really love, you know, her. Before ending this video, I would like to really thank two people who has really helped me with this outfit. First is Alita Chechi and second is Punita Akka, because these two people were always with me when I went for something different for Onam, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, and I hope you have loved this outfit from scratch video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, love you all. Bye.